Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can organize your ebooks in Notion. First up, let's create a new page on Notion. Click on the plus new page button on the left sidebar. This is where we'll house all our ebooks. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for our ebooks, making it easy to access and manage them. Now that we've done that, let's add a board view by clicking on plus add a view and selecting board. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our ebooks into different sections, such as to read, reading, and read. It's a visual way to monitor your reading progress. Next, we want to add our ebooks. Click on plus new in the respective category and type in the name of the ebook. You can even add a cover image or a link to the ebook file by clicking on the title and using the Add Cover and Add File options. This is important because it gives you quick access to the ebook, and the cover image helps to visually identify the book. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Each ebook is a card that we can move around, so as you progress with your reading, you can simply drag the ebook card from to read to reading, and finally, to read. This keeps your ebook collection organized and reflects your reading habits. Now, let me explain why this matters. If you're an avid reader with numerous ebooks, this organization method not only keeps your digital library neat and tidy, but also helps you track your reading progress. Having a visual representation of your reading journey can be incredibly satisfying and motivating. In conclusion, using Notion to organize your ebooks is a simple yet effective method. It's all about creating a dedicated page, adding a board view, and then adding your ebooks as movable cards. It's a flexible system that adapts to your reading pace and preferences. And that's it. You now know how to organize your ebooks in Notion. Thanks for tuning in, and happy reading.